Full backup, a type of backup that copies all the data in a system or application, regardless of whether it has changed since the last backup. Incremental backup, a type of backup that only backs up data that has changed since the last backup. This can be faster and more efficient than other backup methods, but requires more storage space for multiple backup copies. Fourth Amendment, a part of the United States Constitution that protects citizens from unreasonable searches and seizures by the government. Copy backup, a type of backup that is similar to a full backup, but does not clear the archive bit. It is often used before system updates or upgrades to allow for easy restoration in case something goes wrong. Backup cycle, the schedule and rotation of backups performed to ensure that data is protected in the event of a system failure or disaster. IT security professional, an individual responsible for ensuring the security of an organization's IT systems and data. Patching systems, the process of applying updates and fixes to software and hardware systems to address security vulnerabilities and improve performance. Digital forensics, the process of investigating digital devices and systems for evidence of cybercrime, security breaches, or other incidents. This involves collecting and analyzing data from computers, servers, mobile devices, and other digital media. Backup rotation, a strategy for managing backups that involve rotating between different backup copies on a regular schedule. This can help ensure that backups are up to date and provide multiple points of restoration in the event of a failure.